2025, Honda released the latest model with a modern retro style, designed for beginner and intermediate riders, the 2025 Honda GB350. The 2025 Honda GB350S is the right choice for riders looking for a retro-style motorcycle with modern technology and high fuel efficiency. With a classic design, advanced features, and riding comfort, this motorbike is suitable for casual trips or daily use. The S is a modern retro-style motorcycle designed for beginner to intermediate riders. With a classic design inspired by Honda Roadsters of the past, the GB350S offers a combination of vintage aesthetics and modern technology. Retro design, steel tank with resin side panels and mudguards, and black details on the engine and other components, LED lighting, round LED headlights, LED indicators, and LED taillights. Emergency stop system, hazard lights flash during hard braking to warn other riders, automatic indicator. The indicator automatically turns off based on the difference in front and rear wheel speed, not just a timer. Efficient fuel consumption. With a consumption of 2.5 L a 100 km, this bike offers a range of up to 600 km on a full tank. The 2025 Honda GB350S is a modern retro-styled motorcycle designed for beginner to intermediate riders. With a classic design inspired by Honda Roadsters of the past, the GB350S offers a combination of vintage aesthetics and modern technology. It's been a long time since a 20 horsepower, air-cooled, single-cylinder Honda has been so eagerly awaited. But the GB350S, hitting the European market at last after several years on sale in other regions, has already proved a surprise hit as it cashes in on the rampant popularity of similar machines. Affordable, simple bikes in the 300 to 400 cubic centimeters class have been flying out of showrooms over the last few years. In the UK market, Triumph Speed and Scrambler 400 sold 3,000 units in 2024, winning the hearts and wallets of young riders on the way up through biking and older ones downsizing to a more manageable and affordable machine. The market for these easy riding bikes has continued to grow even while overall motorcycle sales have contracted.